DJ, greet Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad.
You, Mike.
Happy birthday, Dad.
And you, Allison.
Love Dada.
You love Dad. Tim.
Happy birthday, Dad.
And Dad, what can you say?
Thank you.
You like the food?
Yes.
Daddy's 50th birthday, 56th birthday of 55. He's old. I can't believe Daddy was 66.
Mom. Side.
You didn't even give me one black.
If you fail, register.
Okay.
You just look like that.
Wow, pro
Wow. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Okay, look. Lalabagin ang kanila. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So, we don't, quarantine candle. We don't have the real candle, so nauna pang nag-blow.